Welcome to the Series 6 capstone. We've learned the dials, the infix, the particles, and the special verbs. Today, we're putting all those pieces together to build a complete, natural, and respectful Korean sentence. I'm Jisoo. Every lesson so far has given you one layer of the honorific system. Now we're going to see how they fit together in the real world to make you sound like you truly belong in the conversation. We'll assemble a fully honorific sentence from scratch, compare it to its plain counterpart, and learn the essential titles for elders, teachers, and bosses. Let's build a sentence about a grandmother eating a meal. We'll start with the plain pieces and transform them one by one. First, the subject. 할머니 plus the subject marker becomes 할머니께서. Then the noun. 밥, the word for meal, swaps for the respectful twin 진지. So we have 할머니께서 진지를. Finally, the verb. 먹다 transforms into our special verb 드시다, and we add the past tense to get 드셨어요. The result? 할머니께서 진지를 드셨어요. Grandmother ate her meal. Every layer is perfectly elevated. Look at the difference. If we were talking about a friend eating, we'd say 친구가 밥을 먹었어요. But for grandmother, every single component changed. This is the power of dial 2. And remember dial 1? We can make our sentence even more formal by using the 습니다 ending. 할머니께서 진지를 드셨습니다. This is common in professional settings or news broadcasts. To complete the look, we need the right titles. In Korea, we rarely use names with elders or bosses. Instead, we use titles like teacher or president. Add the suffix 님 to any title to make it respectful. 선생님 for a teacher, 사장님 for a boss. These are the final pieces of the social puzzle. Before we finish, one last reminder of the one rule that never bends. Don't honor yourself. You can be the CEO of a company, but you still say 저는 가요. Honorifics are a gift you give to others. We've covered a lot, from the 2 dials model to the infix, the essential particles, and the special verbs. Master this table and you've mastered speaking with respect. You can now do what textbooks rarely teach well. Show respect the Korean way. Practice these forms and you'll find yourself fitting right into the heartbeat of the conversation. I'm Jisoo, and this was Speaking with Respect.